My name is Angel Vasquez. I'm the Regional Business Development Manager at Electrolux. Today I'm going to demonstrate some water savings that you can achieve by using Electrolux or Wascomat equipment in your laundry facility. Here on the table in front of me, we have two drain valves that we've removed from their respective machines. The first one here on my left is one of our competitor's drain valves. You can see it has this large basin area, which is located above the actual operating valve assembly. This basin is attached to the bottom of the drum, and it needs to fill up with water completely for every pre-soak, wash, and rinse during the cycle. We refer to this as dead water. Now this is the drain valve assembly used in our Electrolux Wascomat machines. You can see that it has a very small basin here on the top of the drain valve assembly, and the large hose is attached below the valve, so the dead water accumulation is much less. Also, here you can see how the actual drain valve is mounted directly to the bottom of the drum. Now I'll demonstrate the amount of dead water used during a 3-bath system consisting of a pre-wash, a main wash, and then finally a rinse. I'll do this first using our competitor's drain valve. As you can see here, using our competitor's drain valve, there is approximately 8 quarts or 2 gallons of water in our container. Now I'll put the water from our drain valve in this container. This amount of water is 8 ounces or 0.0625 gallons. Now, if we do some simple calculations, we can multiply these numbers by the number of machines in your store, and then by the average number of turns each machine does. Let's use 20 machines as an example. A competitor's machine at 2 gallons per turn with 20 machines will use 40 gallons of dead water. If we consider that each machine will do 5 turns per day, that comes to 200 gallons of dead water per day. Let's compare that to Electrolux and Wascomat machines that use 0.0625 gallons per turn of dead water. With 20 machines, that comes to 1.25 gallons. And if we multiply that by 5 turns per day, that comes to 6.25 gallons of dead water per day. That means our machines use 97% less dead water. Now, let's take that out to a week. Our competitors' machines will use 1,400 gallons of dead water per week. And if we project that out to a year, the dead water usage would be 72,800 gallons. And then finally, if we look at a 10-year projection, our competitors' machines will use 728,000 gallons of dead water. Now, even though this video is primarily to demonstrate the difference in dead water usage, we want to point out that there are other distinct advantages when using Electrolux and Wascomat machines in addition to water savings. One advantage is whether you use natural gas or electric water heaters, your business will consume less energy to heat the water that your machines use, and we all know that will result in lower utility cost. Also, since there isn't any time needed to fill a dead water basin, the overall cycle times are reduced. This means more turns per day, month, and year, and that results in more profit for your business and you. I'm Angel Vasquez, Regional Business Development Manager at Electrolux. Let us show you how to make your laundry more profitable. Take the next step and contact us today.